Hello, plant enthusiasts. Welcome to 40 Best Indoor Plants for Your New Home. In this two-part video series, we're excited to present the first installment, where we'll showcase 20 exceptional indoor plants to transform your space. Stay tuned for plant care tips and watch your indoor oasis come to life. Staghorn fern, a trendy indoor plant, adds an exotic touch to homes. Its distinctive fronds resemble antlers and can be mounted on wood, creating living wall art. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and brings a touch of nature's beauty indoors. String of hearts, a favorite for bookshelves, boasts cascading vines with heart-shaped leaves. It's a low-maintenance indoor gem that thrives in bright indirect light. This charming plant adds natural beauty to any home. Jade plant, a beginner's delight, is a hardy succulent with vibrant green leaves. It thrives on minimal water and adds a touch of elegance to any home with its timeless beauty. Calamandan orange, a petite but mighty indoor plant, bears fragrant fruits perfect for homemade jams. Its lush green leaves and citrusy aroma bring a refreshing charm to any home. Paddle plant, also known as Kalanchoe thyrsophora, captivates with its wavy, red-tipped leaves resembling a vibrant bloom. This hardy succulent adds elegance to any room and thrives in low-maintenance conditions. Passion flower, an exquisite climbing plant, introduces a touch of nature indoors. Its vibrant blooms and intricate vines offer a captivating sight. Perfect for adorning windows and adding a unique charm to your home. String of pearls, an Instagram-worthy gem, cascades elegantly, enhancing any space. Its unique spherical leaves resemble delicate pearls, creating a mesmerizing visual appeal. A perfect choice to elevate your home's decor. Air plants, nature's sculptures, thrive without soil. Display them creatively on shelves, shells, or terrariums. Their unique shapes and minimal care make them perfect for decorating your new home with a touch of botanical artistry. Ponytail palms feature a unique bulbous trunk and cascade of slender leaves, creating a captivating indoor tree. Their low-maintenance nature and striking appearance make them ideal for enhancing your new home's aesthetic. The ZZ plant is an aesthetically striking and hardy addition to your home. Its glossy, dark green leaves thrive in low light, making it perfect for any room. Its sleek, modern appearance enhances your home's beauty. The Phalaenopsis orchid is a symbol of elegance and beauty. With its long-lasting blooms and graceful appearance, it's a perfect choice for your home. Its stunning colors and intricate petals add a touch of luxury to any room. English ivy is a versatile and hardy plant, ideal for homes. Its lush, trailing vines make it a charming addition to any room, and it's easy to care for. This plant's vibrant green leaves bring life and freshness to indoor spaces. The snake plant is a resilient, low-maintenance indoor plant. Its striking, sword-shaped leaves add a touch of modern elegance to homes. With its air-purifying qualities, it's both practical and beautiful. The Nana juniper is a versatile evergreen ground cover suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its compact growth and rich green foliage make it a charming addition to any home. The Peperomia obtusifolia is a charming, pet-friendly plant with thick, glossy green leaves. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, such as home offices or bathrooms, adding a touch of greenery to your home's interior. The parlor palm, with its graceful fronds, is an ideal indoor tree to fill a corner of your home. It thrives in moderate to bright indirect light and adds a touch of elegance to any room. Aloe vera, famed for its healing properties, is a striking indoor plant with succulent, fleshy leaves. Its sculptural beauty complements any space while offering the practicality of soothing skin irritations. Jasmine, known for its fragrant blossoms, is a charming indoor plant. Its captivating beauty and sweet scent make it a delightful addition to any home, bringing a touch of nature's elegance indoors. The Erica palm, with its feathery fronds, is a stunning addition to any home. Its graceful beauty and air-purifying qualities make it a top choice for indoor plant enthusiasts, adding a tropical touch to your living space. The sword fern, with its striking green fronds, brings a touch of woodland charm to your indoor space. Known for its air-purifying abilities, it thrives in low light, making it an ideal choice for any room in your new home. And there you have it, folks. The first part of our journey through the 40 best indoor plants for your new home. If you've enjoyed discovering these beautiful green companions for your living spaces, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the second part, where we reveal even more amazing indoor plants and share expert care tips. Happy planting!